Coming to the next problem, find the mean value. Find the mean value of exponential random variable. Now this is the question. Find the mean value. See, in order to find the mean value, first we have to write exponential random variable formula. Now the exponential probability density function is given as f of x is equal to 1 by b e power minus x minus a divided by b for x greater than a, and it is defined as 0 for x less than a. This is the formula for the exponential random variable, that is probability density function of an exponential random variable. Now in order to find the mean, we will first write the formula of mean. Now mean is written as expected value of x, or it is also denoted as x bar, or it is also denoted as mu, which is nothing but integration over the limits minus infinity to plus infinity the x into the function fx of x into dx. Now this is for the case of continuous random variable. Let us substitute the next value of this. In order to do this, we'll write integration. Now what are the limits being given? It is given as x greater than a. Greater than a means the limits will be from 0 to from a to infinity it will go. So my limits are from here a to infinity. The function x is as it is, the value of x is as it is. Now what is the function? The function is 1 by b e power minus x minus a by b into dx. Now let us take the constant term outside and split the exponential function. Now let us split it, so it will be integration 1 by b is a constant term, that is outside, a to infinity. I am keeping this x as it is and just opening this value, that is e power minus x by b. One value is this, another is e power a by b into dx. Still over here e power a by b is a constant term, so I'll take it outside. E power a by b is constant into 1 by b is a constant term, integral a to infinity x into e power x by b minus into dx. Now this is a UV method. If I just open this by UV method, I'll be writing as this is constant e power a by b as it is divided by b. I am now integrating the term. This is my first term, this is my second term. Integration, the first term is kept as it is. Now integration of the second term, this is by UV method, e power minus x by b divided by minus 1 by b. We are doing the integration with respect to x. Now over here the limits will be a to infinity. Next is again continuation part of it, integral. The first term x is there, differentiation of x will be taken as 1, integration of this term will be given as e power minus x by b by minus 1 by b into dx. Still I have to proceed this particular value. Now e power a by b is a constant term divided by b over here. I'll substitute the limits later on. Let me first do the calculation part. So I'm keeping this as it is x, and this b will go in the numerator. So b minus b into e power minus x by b over the limits a to infinity. Now this minus and this minus will become as plus, and this b will come in the numerator. Now my left off term is integration e power minus x by b into dx. Still I need to do the integration part. Now this is over the limit, your a to infinity is there. So my terms are is equal to e power a by b is constant by b minus xb e power minus x by b, and the limits are a to infinity plus b. I'm just copying once again so that there should not be any confusion. Integral a to infinity e power minus x by b into dx. Now let me do the integration part. I have just copied it once again. E power a by b by b. Okay, now this is minus xb e power minus x by b over the limits a to infinity plus b is as it is. Now integration of this term e power minus x by b will fetch me e power minus x by b by minus 1 by b. Now over the limits a to infinity. This is done. Next step, what I am supposed to do, I'll substitute the upper limit and lower limit. E power a by b is as it is by b. Now substituting over here, in place of x I am substituting infinity. When I am in place of x, if I substitute infinity, it will become as infinity, minus in place of x I am substituting a, b term is as it is, e power minus in place of x I am substituting a. Okay, this one part is over, plus this b and this b is there. I can just take it in a numerator. I can take it in the numerator, so it will become as minus b e power minus b square e power minus x by b. And what are the limits over here? A to infinity. Okay, so this will reduce as e power a by b by b. Okay, now this is minus term was this, minus into minus plus, that is ab e power minus a by b. Okay, plus now I am substituting the upper limit and lower limit in this one. Okay, if I substitute the upper limit and lower limit, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting as first term will become anyway infinity. E power infinity will give me infinity minus minus of b square e power minus a by b. Done. Now this is e power a by b into what was my last value, ab. ab e power a by b plus over here minus into minus will become I'm rewriting from the behind, so it is e power a by b into ab e power minus a by b plus b square e power minus a by b. Now if I take terms as b common and e power minus a by b, I'll be getting as e power a by b is as it is into, I'm taking common b into e power minus a by b common. If I take, my left off term will be a plus b and divided by b. So over here b and b will get cancelled and you are left with e power a by b into e power minus a by b into a plus b. Now e power a by b into e power minus a by b will fetch me the value as 1 into a plus b. So my end answer is, that is mean value is equal to a plus b. This is the mean value for the exponential random variable.